Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Audi Q8 is here, redefining luxury, performance, and technology in the SUV segment. With its bold design, cutting-edge features, and powerful engine, this SUV is built for those who demand the best. Let us take a deep dive into what makes the new Q8 stand out. Close-up shots of the Audi Q8's sleek headlights and aggressive front grille. Exterior design. The 2025 Audi Q8 is a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance. The signature single-frame grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular body make it a true head-turner. The redesigned bumpers and new alloy wheels add to its modern appeal. Whether you're cruising in the city or hitting the highway, the Q8 demands attention. Dynamic shots of the Q8's profile and rear LED light strip. Interior luxury. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that exudes sophistication. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof create a luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard features Audi's latest MMI infotainment system with dual touch screens, offering seamless control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Slow panning shots of the digital cockpit, infotainment system, and leather seats. Technology and features. Audi has packed the 2025 Q8 with state-of-the-art technology. The latest Virtual Cockpit Plus provides a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays. The head-up display projects essential driving information onto the windshield. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensure an immersive experience. Screen transitions to a driver interacting with the touch screens and voice commands. Performance and engine options. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi Q8 offers multiple powertrain options. The base model comes with a 3.0L V6 engine producing 335 horsepower, while the SQ8 features a twin-turbo V8 pushing over 500 horsepower. For those who crave even more power, the Rs Q8 delivers a mind-blowing 591 horsepower, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. Shots of the Q8 accelerating on an open road, followed by a close-up of the engine. Driving experience. With Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, the Q8 provides superior handling and stability in all conditions. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, while dynamic steering enhances agility. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrain, the Q8 delivers an exceptional driving experience. Footage of the Q8 driving through rough terrain and curving roads. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority for Audi, and the Q8 is packed with advanced driver assistance features. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies ensure maximum safety for both the driver and passengers. Visuals of the Q8's safety features in action, such as emergency braking and lane assist. Final thoughts. The 2025 Audi Q8 is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and technology. Whether you're looking for a comfortable daily driver or a high-performance SUV, the Q8 has something for everyone. With its striking design, powerful engine options, and advanced features, it's truly a masterpiece in the luxury SUV segment. Closing shot of the Audi Q8 driving into the sunset, followed by the Audi logo. Which feature of the 2025 Audi Q8 do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews.